like to add our personal welcome jewel and welcome back our Executive Club members and one more frequent flyers. If there is anything we can do to make your journey more comfortable, please do let us know. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to remind you that whenever you are seated, we do recommend that you keep your seatbelts fastened, and your seatbelts must be securely fastened whenever the seatbelt signs are on. Natalie and I will shortly commence an onboard service offering complimentary food and drink to all customers. And if there's anything else we can get you at all on today's flight, please do let us know by visiting one of our galleries or using your pool bell. We now invite you to sit back, relax and enjoy this 1 hour and 58-minute flight down to Madrid.